Are you constantly bombarded with messages and emails containing links to photos or programs that claim to be of interest to you? Be careful, because these could be sophisticated methods used by intruders to steal your money and take control of your devices. For example, you may receive a message offering to exchange a product you're selling for another product with a link to photos. If you open this link on your Android device, you could unknowingly download software that transfers all your money to the intruder's account. Another method used by intruders is sending mail messages with links that encourage you to click on them, such as offering you a job that requires filling out a form. One of the most dangerous methods used by intruders is known as ransomware. By clicking on a link, your device can become blocked, and you'll receive a message demanding money to unlock it and prevent data loss. Unfortunately, even if you pay the ransom, there's no guarantee that you'll regain access to your device. You could also lose all the information on your device, as ransomware often doesn't make any backups. So how can you protect yourself from these malicious attacks? It's important to keep your antivirus software up to date, as it can prevent most infections. You should also regularly back up your data using an external hard drive or cloud services, which will allow you to restore your information in case of an attack. Most importantly, be vigilant when opening attachments or clicking on links in messages from unknown senders. According to statistics, most malware infects devices through email attachments. To further protect yourself, consider using temporary mailboxes to filter out suspicious messages and hide your online presence. In summary, be cautious when receiving messages from unknown senders and avoid opening any attachments. If your device is ever blocked by ransomware, never send money to the intruder. Instead, use antivirus software or special scripts to resolve the issue. Don't become a victim of these malicious attacks. Stay informed and stay safe.